Cleaning your motocross boots is a simple task, unless you choose not to follow some simple steps like these. First tip, clean your boots while washing your bike, make it one job, not two. Grab yourself a boot stand. I've got the Ballard's one, but even a traffic cone will do the job. That way you're not going to be chasing your boots around with the Gerni. Start by soaking your boots to loosen up some of that dirt and grime. Soak them up. Apply a good layer of soap before you get into scrubbing the boots. I've got two brushes, so I'm going to give it a good scrub with this big brush, and then I've got the small one to just get those hard to reach places. I like to keep the buckles on my boots done up for the majority of the time to stop as much moisture as possible from getting in there. That'll maintain the integrity of the boot. If necessary, rinse and repeat those last two steps. Rinse and you should have clean boots. Grab some sort of lubricant and spray the buckles and pivot points. That'll stop them from squeaking and keep them functioning as they should. Just keep in mind, if you are spraying any sort of lubricant on your boots, avoid the contact points, so the sole, the inside of the boot where you're gripping the bike, and the toe box where you'll be shifting. If you've got an air compressor, remove any excess water and leave the boots on the stand to dry out of the sun.